In this tutorial, we will be discussing how to create sublists in Python. Sublists are a way to extract a portion of a list based on certain criteria. Let's run the code to see the output of the two print statements from the code above. Here, we used square brackets to create a sublist from the original list. The numbers inside the square brackets represent the start index and stop index, respectively. The sublist includes all elements from the start index up to, but not including, the stop index. In this example, we started at index 1 and stopped at index 4, which includes the elements 2, 3, and 4. Now let's create a sublist using negative indices. Here, we used negative indices to create a sublist. Negative indices start counting from the end of the list, with -1 representing the last element in the list. In this example, we started at the fourth element from the end and stopped at the second element from the end, which includes the elements 3, 4, and 5. Now let's discuss making sublists using the start, stop, step notation. Finally, we use the start, stop, step notation to create a sublist. This notation allows us to specify not only the start and stop indices, but also the step size. In this example, we started at index 1, stopped at index 6, and used a step size 2, which means every other element. This resulted in the sublist 2, 4, 6. And that's it. You now know how to create sublists in Python using 3 different methods. Play around with these methods and see what other sublists you can come up with. Thanks for watching.